Hello, my name is Daniel, and I am going to explain how to use Bluetooth to make a call. So, this is the code, and also the first line. So, this line can be means that this character, whenever you see B, it's a character, and then this is so that input. This is what means for input. It means in one, put in 8. So that's what it does for all of these. So just the name and then which pin is in. And then do the voice setup, and then in it you have pin mode, input one, output. It basically tells the computer um how to treat it. If it's like an output, if it's like an input, this is serial dot begin which starts the serial monitor, which is this, and you have the for loop, which in it says if serial is available, which basically meaning for a serial. If it's available, then serial dot read. So whenever it's B is equal to serial dot read. So whenever it sees B, it will read the serial, and then after that it will print the serial B. So it will print the shell that's reading, which is B. And then if B is equal to B, so basically the car will send signals to the serial monitor, which will capture by serial monitor. And if the serial monitor is reading this capital B, then this should happen. That's what we're doing for all of them. This being capital B, then it should make input one is motor one, so you make motor one on, motor four on, and then this is the like the bulb, and you should make it on, and and then if B is equal to F, so the signal will be F, and if it's F, we move forward, and then input one, which is input one, will be on, input three, which is input three, will be on as well. And then else if B is equal to R, then if it's reading a signal which is R, then it should turn on motor 2 and motor 3. And then if the signal is equal to L, then it's turn on motor 1 and motor 4. And then if the signal is equal to S, then you should turn everything off because S will stop. So basically that's the code, and thanks, bye.
My name is Daniel, and I'm going to explain this car, which uses Bluetooth. And this is the motor driver because there's Arduino, but it cannot power doesn't have enough power to power the motors properly. Use to amplify the power. And this is the battery holder which is used to hold the batteries. This is the Bluetooth sensor which sends out Bluetooth signals for other things to connect to. And that's what we're using to control the car today. Um, in here are the motors that I used to control the wheels, and this is the iPad, and the app we'll be using to control the car. So we're going to connect to the car. We're going to connect to the Bluetooth, and when the sign turns green, it means connected. Okay, turn green. So now it should be connected. So if I do this, it moves forward. If I do this, it moves back. Turns left, turns right. So let's see it in action. So if I do this, it moves forward. If I do this, moves back. If I do this, turns left and turns right. Thank you so much for your time. So let's just do this a little. So what's happening is that the iPad is sending a Bluetooth signal to the car, and depending on what the signal is, then that's what the car will do. So this button sends a different signal than this button does. So this button sends a signal that makes it go forward. This one sends a signal that makes it go backwards. This one makes it go the same for the right. So that's how it's moving like this. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.